This is what I've been working on. It's got grass. Look at this. Keep out zones so the grass doesn't grow. It's pretty dope. It's like millions and millions of instances of grass. It's quite impressive. Those are lightsabers as well. Let's get this guy. There we go. Got him. We also do wall runs, wall climbs. You can click through some stuff. Can do that. Turn around, jump up. Do the same. And climb up into this tower. There you go. Also this massive new area as well. Don't really know what to do with any of this yet, but it's absolutely enormous. Crazy what you can do with Web GPU now. Oh yeah, I need to fix this. I think there might be a fog issue, but just feels so good. Yeah. Very impressive. Very impressive. Oh yeah, of course. You can also press B. You can place a holographic sticker down. Look at that. Don't know what to do with this area yet. Let's see. Have fun.